Have you ever thought about how technology could add over $1 trillion to the global economy by 2030? Today, let's dive into 5 super exciting tech projects that are set to change our world by 2025. These innovations could really change how we live, work, and play. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. First up is artificial intelligence, or AI. This tech is already making waves, but by 2025, it's expected to become even more powerful. In healthcare, AI could help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately. For example, algorithms are being developed that can analyze medical images, like X-rays, to detect conditions faster than human eyes can. This could save lives by providing quicker treatment options. In finance, AI is already changing how we manage money. By 2025, banks will likely use AI to detect fraud and help people make better investment choices. With AI analyzing vast amounts of data, it can identify patterns and trends that humans might miss. This not only makes banking safer, but also helps people understand their finances better. Statistics show that AI in finance could grow to be worth around $22.6 billion by 2025. Have you ever chatted with a chatbot online? That's a basic form of AI. But the future holds much more. New advancements in natural language processing mean AI will understand human language better, making conversations more fluid and realistic. This opens up possibilities for AI to assist in customer service or even provide mental health support. Then there's something called quantum AI, which is on the horizon. This tech could process information at incredible speeds, solving complex problems much faster than current AI. Imagine a world where AI can help scientists find cures for diseases in record time. How cool would that be? Extended reality. Next up, let's talk about extended reality, or XR. This includes virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. These technologies are creating super immersive experiences in gaming, education, and even training. For instance, VR can transport players into fantastical worlds where they can interact in real time. This is not just fun, it's also used in therapy to help people with phobias. In education, extended reality has the potential to completely transform how students learn. This technology includes virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality, which can create immersive environments for learners. For instance, with VR headsets, students can be transported to historical sites like ancient ruins, allowing them to explore history firsthand. This immersive experience not only makes learning more engaging, but also helps students connect with the material in a way that traditional textbooks often cannot. By 2030, XR could add a whopping $1.5 trillion to the global economy. This economic boost is largely due to its application in various industries, including education. Schools and universities are beginning to adopt XR tools to enhance their teaching methods. For example, medical students can use AR to practice surgeries in a virtual setting, gaining hands-on experience without the risks associated with real-life procedures. As these technologies become more affordable and accessible, the potential for widespread implementation in classrooms grows. Studies show that immersive learning can improve information retention by up to 75%. This is because XR engages multiple senses, making the learning experience more memorable. Instead of just reading about the human body, students can interact with 3D models, allowing them to visualize and understand complex concepts better. Research indicates that when students are actively involved in their learning, they're more likely to retain information long-term. As educators explore these innovative teaching methods, the future of learning looks brighter than ever. XR isn't just about entertainment and education, though. Industries like healthcare are using AR to assist surgeons during operations. By overlaying digital information onto the surgeon's field of view, AR can help make procedures safer and more efficient. This tech is expected to grow rapidly, with the XR market projected to reach over $300 billion by 2024. But what does that mean for everyday life? As AR becomes more mainstream, people could use their smartphones to see how furniture looks in their homes before buying it, or navigate city streets with digital directions. How do you think our daily interactions will evolve with tools like these? Biometric Technology. Now, let's move on to biometric technology. This tech is changing how we think about security. Instead of traditional passwords, we're seeing more use of biometrics like facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, and voice identification. By 2025, it's expected that many companies will switch to these methods for safer access to sensitive information. The biometric market could grow from $36.6 billion to $68.6 billion in just a few years. One big reason for this shift is the rising concerns about cybersecurity. Passwords can be stolen or hacked, but biometric data is much harder to replicate. For instance, facial recognition systems are being used in airports to speed up security checks, making travel safer and more efficient. In the workplace, employees might use their fingerprints to unlock devices or access secure areas. Beyond just security, biometrics can improve user experiences. Imagine unlocking your phone just by looking at it, or making payments with a simple voice command. This convenience can make daily tasks easier, especially for those who struggle with traditional methods. However, it's important to consider privacy issues. As biometric data is collected, questions arise about who has access to it and how it's used. Many people are concerned about surveillance and the potential for misuse. Striking the right balance between security and privacy will be crucial as this technology evolves. What are your thoughts on using biometrics for security? 3D printing. Next up is 3D printing technology. This innovation is set to revolutionize manufacturing by enabling mass customization and reducing supply chain costs. Imagine being able to print a product right in your home. By 2025, the economic impact of 3D printing could range from $230 billion to $550 billion annually. That's a lot of savings and opportunities for businesses and consumers alike. 3D printing allows for faster production times, which is a game changer for industries like healthcare. For example, doctors can use 3D printing to create custom prosthetics or implants tailored to a patient's unique body. This personalized approach not only improves patient outcomes, but also reduces waste in the manufacturing process. In addition to healthcare, 3D printing is making waves in fashion and automotive industries. Designers can create one-of-a-kind clothing items or car parts that fit perfectly without needing extensive inventory. This leads to less waste and a more sustainable approach to production. The technology is also becoming more accessible. Home 3D printers are becoming cheaper and easier to use, allowing everyday people to create everything from toys to home decor. This shift could empower individuals to become makers and innovators in their own right. What would you want to print if you had a 3D printer at home? Biotechnology. Last but not least, let's talk about biotechnology. This field is advancing rapidly, especially with innovations like gene editing technologies such as CRISPR. By 2025, biotechnology could reshape healthcare and agriculture significantly. For instance, CRISPR allows scientists to edit genes in living organisms, which could lead to personalized medicine solutions for genetic disorders. In agriculture, biotechnology can enhance food security. Scientists are developing crops that are resistant to pests and diseases, which means higher yields and less need for pesticides. This is important as the global population continues to grow. By improving agricultural practices, we can feed more people while also protecting the environment. Lab-grown meat is an exciting application of biotechnology that aims to revolutionize the way meat is produced. This innovative technology cultivates animal cells in a lab environment, creating meat products without the need for raising and slaughtering animals. By doing so, it could address significant ethical concerns related to animal welfare and offer a more humane alternative to conventional meat production. Additionally, lab-grown meat has the potential to significantly reduce the environmental impact of livestock farming, which is responsible for a large portion of greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water consumption. By 2025, lab-grown meat products could appear in supermarkets, offering sustainable options for consumers. Major companies are developing various types, from beef to chicken, to meet diverse preferences. As technology advances and costs decrease, these alternatives may become more affordable, promoting a more eco-friendly food system that meets global demands. However, as with any technology, there are ethical questions to consider. The ability to edit genes raises concerns about designer babies and the long-term effects on ecosystems. It's essential to navigate these challenges carefully as biotechnology continues to evolve. How do you feel about these advancements in biotechnology? These 5 tech projects are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what's coming in the next few years. Each one has the power to change lives, improve industries, and make the world a better place. Exciting, right? What tech project are you most looking forward to? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest in tech.